Hi, I'm James Martzel, Sales Application Manager for HyperSpike Products. I'm here today to talk to you about the TCPA-10 speaker. This speaker is ideally used for very loud manufacturing facilities, warehouses, universities, parking garages, and anything that you need directional sound with crystal clear voice. The speaker is all-encompassing of it being a 25 volt, 70 volt, and 100 volt speaker. You have tap settings that can be selectable between 0.5 watts to 45 watts. The speaker is very efficient and can give you crystal clear sound at long ranges and very challenging environments. When you receive the TCPA-10 demo kit, it will come in a hardened transit case. Within the case, you will get the TCPA-10 speaker, the associated crown amplifier that is pre-set up for 70 volts and blocked out to make sure that it does optimal performance, a 50-foot speaker cable, the power cable for the amplifier, an extension cable, the RCA 3.5 millimeter audio jack, an iPod, however you can download the HyperSpike mobile application and use your smartphone device, the charger for the iPod, extra speaker wire if you would like to tie in your own 25, 70, or 100 volt amplifier, as well as mounting hardware that can be used to attach to the TCPA-10 to put onto a tripod, as well as the needed accessories to do that. When you're ready to start your product demonstration, we're going to first begin with the amplifier setup. When dealing with the amplifier, you want to check the back to make sure that the red cable is going to the associated 70 volt label. You first begin by taking the power cable and plugging it in. Next, you'll take the RCA cable and make sure you plug it into the corresponding colors. Next, you can take the speaker cable and plug one end into the speaker and the other end into the amplifier output. Now everything has been plugged in. Now we'll work on the power up. The TCPA-10 demo kit might come in with a speaker with a knob, external knob that you can simply turn with your hands to change the tap settings, or a recess knob. If it comes with the recess knob, all you need is a flathead screwdriver to change the tap settings. When you're ready to start actually playing audio through the speaker, a couple things you need to check first. Ensure that your iPod is fully charged or your smartphone is fully charged. If you're using a smartphone device, make sure you turn off any notifications so that way nothing will come through during the demonstration. Also, too, make sure that the volume is all the way down to take safety precautions. Also, too, there's 5 different tap settings for the corresponding TCPA-10 speaker. You can please refer to the manual to see which tap setting would be adequate for your demonstration. Typically, what you'll want to do is take the TCPA-10 speaker and move it all the way to the right onto the 24 watt tap setting and use your iPod or iPhone to actually increase or decrease the volume. When doing indoor and outdoor demonstrations, it is advised to slowly increase the volume level instead of going at full power right off the bat. When you're ready to power up, simply push in the button. A blue light will come on. Give it 2 to 3 seconds to come up to full power. Then simply take the line-in cable, plug it into either the iPod or your smartphone device, and select the corresponding audio track that you need and hit play. Once you hit play, you can slowly increase the volume level to the desired levels that you require and need for your demonstration. One of the accessories HyperSpike provides you with is extra speaker wire. This gives you the ability to tie into your own 25, 70, or 100 volt amplifier. Simply take the speaker wire, plug it in accordingly, use the flying leads to plug into the corresponding amplifier that you want to use. Ensure that your amplifier has enough wattage. Also, please see the TCPA-10 user manual for additional information. The TCPA-10 mounting adapter allows you to mount the TCPA-10 to a tripod. This allows you to move the speaker forwards and backwards, up and down. All you have to do is simply on the bottom of it, find the plate, match it up, and use the available hardware to screw it tightly in place for the demonstration.